Vance Worley. What a pickup, looking for his 7th win of the year. 6-4, 3.05 ERA.
Broken bat, bouncer, left side. Harrison picks it up, throws on the first, takes care of Utley. Well, this is going to be Russell Martin going to have to gun it to first to complete the K, and he will. Strike 3 called. And Dominic Brown barking a little bit at Tim Welke. And toward left field, Marte is over for the final out.
Through 3. Second inning. Wasn't quite putting it where he wanted to. Got that one where he wanted to, though. 90 miles an hour. Late.
In on him and bounced toward the man in shallow right, the second baseman Walker. And 1, 2, 3. 3 assists